Hi everyone, my name is Mimi and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel. So as you can see from the video, I've got I guess to some people, a really special unboxing. It is actually for me because it's a birthday present from myself to myself. But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mimi, as I've said at the beginning, and my channel is all about luxury. And luxury can be in forms of jewelry, bags, even household goods, but all things quality basically. But obviously due to the pandemic we've diversified, so I've been doing a few different types of videos. So I want to encourage you to subscribe if you're interested in these kind of videos. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for bearing with me. Work life, you know, I have actually done some videos. I need to upload them, but I just thought I will let you into something I bought recently, yesterday actually. But I'll get into that later. I know you don't want to sit down here seeing the box, you want to see what's inside it. So let's get straight into the video. So it came with the bag, obviously. This is the envelope. I know I've seen people get a red envelope. I didn't actually get one. I don't know whether it's because of obviously the pandemic that so many things are not being given out. I did, however, get the red booklet that comes with it that says that your item is authentic. And I got a lovely little dust bag for my item. So it's a travel pouch. And we'll just go straight in. That's all that's inside there. The receipts is inside that envelope. And the lady gave me her card. I'm not going to give out her information because she hasn't given me permission. And that's how it was packaged. It was really busy. I actually bought it in, if you live in the United Kingdom, I bought this item in Harrods. And it was extremely busy. So normally what they would do, they would actually put a hot stamp here and there. But I'm guessing they were busy, they didn't have time, they had a backlog of stuff. So that was my experience for my first purchase. I'm just going to unbox it quickly. But I appreciate that she did actually wrap it up. Put a ribbon. So, as you know, Cartier items come a box within a box. So you get the red box. And in the red box is another box, and it is actually opened. So I just closed it there, tilt it there. And the item I got is the Trinity ring in small. So I'm just going to put it on my finger so you can see it. So before I put it on my finger, I just wanted you to see that it's got there, I think it's on the rose gold ring. There are 3 rings, yellow gold, the rose gold is in the middle and the white gold on the end. And it's got Cartier written on the rose gold ring. So that's it on my hand. Absolutely love it. I wasn't sure whether I was going to get the large one or the small one. So yeah, that's what it looks like on my hand. And that's the ring I'm most likely going to put it on. Sorry, my hands are all wrinkled. It's really cold. And I wanted to do this unboxing really quickly. I bought it yesterday. This is my first time of opening it and looking at it since I bought it. So I'm going to talk about the service. So the service I thought was really good. I did have to wait about 45 minutes to an hour. But when I got seen, the service is really good. As I said, I bought it in Harrods. I did find out later on that you can actually book an appointment, which I will probably do next time. My sales associate, I would like to call her that now because she's given me a card. She said to me I should just book an appointment and I'll get seen as soon as I arrive there. So I think if you're going to any of the Cartier boutiques, I would advise you, even though you can do a walk-in, it's advisable to do a appointment. I think it was busy because obviously it was Black Friday weekend, so it was crazy. It was absolutely crazy in Harrods. So, but yeah, that's it there. And as I said, you get a certificate there. I'm sure you've seen so many of them. So that's the certificate I got. And as I said, today is the 28th. I bought it yesterday, the 27th. So you can see that's what you get. And it comes in this red card, just like that. So I tried it on this finger, it fits. And I've tried it on that finger, so it fits. So I've got that finger, which I probably will wear it on. I've got this finger where it's in the middle. I've got this finger also. So I like the fact that I can wear it on different fingers. I don't know what my finger's going to be like when it swells up, but this is first thing in the morning, so my fingers are fairly, would I say, shrunken? So maybe that's why it fits on all my fingers. I don't know, but yeah, so that is my unboxing. So just, I'm sure you've seen this before, but just in case you don't know, oops, hold on a second, sorry about that, it dropped. So they recommend that you just drop it in your hand like that, and it comes together. And then when you do that, you just put it on the finger of choice, and you just put it on in this rolling motion. And I don't think that went really well because that's screwed it. Hold on a second. So yeah, sorry about that. So you just put it on in this rolling motion. And that's the ring there. Again, just roll it on to your finger like so, and that's it. And you can twist it that way if you want to show the Cartier to show. If you don't, you can turn it around that way. However you want to wear it, but that's basically what it looks like. So that's the end of my video. Don't want to make it too long. If you have any questions, comments. In the UK, this item is £830, and I believe tax is already included in it, so don't need to worry about the tax, unlike in other countries. So if you have any questions, comments, put them in the comments box below. I just seen something actually. Look on the box here. It says Origin Thailand. Don't know what that means. Hopefully it's not my ring. Maybe it's the box. So if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments box below. And as I said, my name is Mimi, and I'd like to thank you for watching my video. And I would encourage you to look at my other videos if you're interested in luxury. And till the next video, goodbye.
Are obvious. Thank you.
Is the 10:26 London Overground service to Euston, calling at all stations to Euston. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.